Hi buddies, welcome to my channel. I'm Kelly and today I'm gonna show you how I do my everyday makeup. It's probably less than 15 minutes. Right, so first of all I'm gonna put BB cream. This is Dr.Jart and made in Korea. SPF 30, so it's good for when there's like sunlight and things. Oh, what am I doing? Gonna put it on my hand. Almost running out. Shit. Right, okay. I'm gonna put on a little bit on my hand because sometimes it could make my skin look very white. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Okay, it's definitely not enough. I like to use my finger because body temperature can actually make your skin look natural. Okay, it's definitely not enough. Almost running out. But this lasts me 2 years and I've been using it every day. See, it's not as liquidy as you thought. Ooh, I think it's a little bit too much. But yeah, it's a really nice brand for BB cream and it's not expensive as well. You can probably get it from Boots if you're in United Kingdom, and it's light enough, also enough to cover all the bits you want to cover. Right. Oh, squeeze too much. It might look a bit too white right now, but wait for like 15 minutes for the makeup to set in on your face. And then this is Maybelline concealer because I have really bad dark circle under my eyes, so I need concealer to make them look nothing there. Tap, 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 tap. Then use your finger. Tap, 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 tap. The reason I like this brand is because after 7 to 10 hours wearing it, it's still good enough to cover the dark circle. And under the rain it won't wash away, so I think it's pretty good. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna put some powder on. This is Canmake I'm using right now. It's a Japanese brand. I like to use this cushion around my eyes eyes, around my nose, and my mouth area. And then I would use brush to brush all over the face. I like to use this Canmake finish powder is because that is minimize the pores, so it doesn't look like you have big pores on your face, even you do have. But I don't think I have big pores. Anyways, next step, it's the eyebrow pencil pen. I really like this eyebrow pencil because you have the pencil bit, and then you have the powder bit, and then you have the brush bit. So first of all, we'll start with the pencil bit. I like to start from inside towards the outside. I like the inside bit of my brows look stronger. Oh. And then the powder bit to brush over the brows. And then brush it again to make them look even. I don't like my eyebrows too obvious, so I like it brown instead of black. And then next step is eyeshadow. I'm using the Decay Naked 2 eyeshadow palette. I like it from the neutral color towards the darker color. And I normally use brown because it's more natural. Well, for me, I think. First of all, I use the, well, it says Foxy here, which is like a neutral color all over my eyelid. And then the light brown. It's called Snake Bite. Snake Bite, yeah. To the half bottom of my eyelid. The bottom of my eyelid. And then the darker brown. It's called Busted, like the eyeline area towards the end of the eyelid. Same with the other one. Done with eyeshadow. Now it's the eyeliner. I use Cyber Colors eyeliner. It's waterproof and I really like to use eyeliner liquid instead of the gel. Gel is easy to get smudged, and eyeliner I think it stays for long hours. Start from the inside to the outside. And then the other eye. Ta-da! Sometimes I accidentally drew over the bottom eye, so I will use eye cream, put it on the cotton bud. Anyways, a little bit of eye cream and then wipe over the eyeliner that you accidentally put, and then it will just disappeared. Next is mascara. I personally think when I use mascara, it's less get smudged off the eyeliner. And based on the weather in UK, it's always raining. I like to use the waterproof mascara. Forgot to say, the mascara that I'm using right now is Eyeko, which is from London. It's a UK brand. I really like it. It doesn't give me spider legs. And then I personally like the bottom eyelashes more obvious. Same with the other eyelashes. Paul and Joe blush gel. Actually quite fun when I put it on, because it's like gel. I like the texture of it. Tap over your cheek. And I also like this kind of colour as well. It's like a rose gold pink. Oh, then lipstick. I'm using the YSL lipstick. I can't remember the full name of this one, but oh, it's a TINT-IN balm. It's really good to moisturize your lips and give your lips a little bit of color. See, it's not pretty obvious as well when you put it on. Ta-da! So this is my everyday makeup routine. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys have any comment, please comment down below, because this is my first ever makeup video. I think there are a lot of things that I really need to improve. I do Twitch live streaming, so if you guys have any question, you can go to my live streaming Twitch channel and ask me questions when I live stream. I will just answer you straight away. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe me for update videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video.